What's up, guys? Welcome back to Three Pedal Devils. This may or may not be an exciting or a very sad video depending on the outcome, so I guess you'll have to stick around to find out. I got a bunch of steering nuts machined for the TaoTao TBR7 because you can't get them. The size of the thread and pitch is like not really standard, so you can't buy these nuts anywhere. I was kind of hesitant to do it for a while because I didn't think enough people would buy them, but I've seen like 10, 20 posts now on the TaoTao owners group of people saying they need it and can't get them anywhere, so I decided to pull the trigger. Got 25 of them in here in my nice grocery bag, high tech. So today we're gonna tear this guy apart and see if my design fits. What do you think, Matt? Is it gonna fit?
Yeah, you're a genius.
Oh my god, I'm so smart. Alright, sweet, let's check it out. Get out of my way. God, you're tall as f. That was weird. I was trying to like intimidate you, but I looked up and got intimidated because you're so tall. It does help you get at the bars all the time.
Well, at the bars, but I'm not at the bars.
That's true. This is not the bar.
I want to go to the bar tonight.
Sweet, let's go. This video. Going to the bars? All right, peace out. We're heading to the bars. What? So my teardown process to get to the steering nut's gonna be different than probably everybody's because my shit's custom. I'm one of a kind.
No way.
Yeah. Actually, I've got some Infinity engine hardware bolting my bars down because I stole them from Matt's box. But yeah, I've got this custom accessory plate that I got to take off, but basically just unbolting the bar clamps so I can get the bars out of the way. Also got this random USB stuff.
All of that's for sale.
Yeah, it's yet to be designed, but it's for sale, so let me know. Here's how you use it. You go to youtube.com/threepedaldevils. You click on all 100 videos that we've got, and you watch all of them. Full blast.
You go to our Instagram, like all of our...
Oh yeah, you go to our Instagram. You like all of our posts, too.
Oh, that's on fire.
This man needs some milk.
I know, I'm here.
Oh, thank God, it's just the bar clamp. I thought it was a brand new machine steering nut. I was gonna cry. Gonna need one of these bad boys. Actually, this might not be true. You need one of these bad boys for my custom steering nut. I don't know what size the stock one is. We'll find out. Might be crescent wrench size.
You can also use one of these.
Oh. Okay.
It just showed up in my box one day.
Yeah, I bought it and it didn't fit in mine, so I put it in yours. That's crazy. Free tools. 30 mil.
I think I'm gonna kill someone with it.
30 mil fits the stock one. Dude, you're just better than me. Then what you want to do is get out your 1/2-inch drive ratchet and then actually just set that aside because this one's Craftsman and that's no good. And then you'll take the 3/8 drive Matco and then put a 3/8 drive to 1/2-inch adapter that you borrow from your buddy's toolbox and put that on here. Nice. All right, got the stock one off, stock washer off. 1 millimeter thick washer, that shit's crazy. Never seen that before. Moment of truth. You want to bring the camera over here to it? It looks right from my calibrated eye, but it kind of looks wrong as well. It kind of looks wrong. Drop a comment, pause. You think it's gonna fit? Ooh, baby, she's crispy.
Perfect.
Perfect fit.
Nice. Look at that, that looks way better.
Yeah, it's like 10 horsepower.
The TaoTao needs it.
Just get it tight and then once more.
That's an inside joke.
Yeah. All right, she's tight. Ship it. Looks kind of wild. Kind of matches those.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, that's it.
That was the
Fits.
sickest video.
It was pretty sick. We'll see how much I leave of that.
All right, link in bio.
Happy endings for all. I mean, just end this video happy ending.
Or no.
We like a good happy ending. Oh yeah, we'll do a link in bio.
No, description.
Oh, yeah,
This
there's
is
no
YouTube, not
bios.
Instagram.
YouTube, yep. Link in description.
Or bio on Instagram.
Look at this guy. I'll put the email in there too. Just reach us out. Give me a reach around. Give me a reach around. You'll figure it out. Just find us if you want to buy one of these. Not sure what the price is. Let's go make it up on the spot. $16.
Is that actually how much it costs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No economies of scale when you're ordering custom shit. But yeah, if you want to buy one of these for your TaoTao, get them while they're hot, off the press. Only got 25 of them, so probably won't last long. Reach out, buy one. If you order a Clevis at the same time, maybe they'll give you a discount. Thanks for watching.
You'll find out.
We'll catch you in the next one.